so pretty. Bye. See you tomorrow. So, oh wow, my hair is so long. Lyndon just told me that there's a, what did you say, an insetting current? Insetting current. I think it's one that just, it goes towards the shore. And we're traveling down the shore to Asunción Bay? Asunción? No, that's French. I don't know how to say it. Asunción Bay. So it's about 12 hours away. We decided to just do a night sail to get there and then get there in the morning and then be tired and sleep the day anyway, but I don't know. For some reason we decided to do a night sail. But there's a nice sunset. Look at them now! That looks like a tidal wave there. Oh, that is so cool. Those are legit real colors too. Oh, that is awesome.
The first 2 hours had yielded nothing. Every question had been about the money. He didn't know where it was. He said 100 times, did it exist? No, he said repeatedly. What happened to it? He didn't know. The guy's experience with torture was extremely limited. He consulted an expert and a really twisted approach to seemed to recommend. So we're trying fishing for the first time. I held the rod for a minute.
It's been me.
We're just about to our next anchorage. It's actually been a really nice day. In many ways we want to keep going, but we know there's some wind picking up and yeah, we might as well go to this bay. It's probably nice and no need to rush. So hopefully there'll be some other cruisers in there. We keep sort of missing the groups of cruisers, so we just saw 2 leave and 2 came into the bay when we left Turtle Bay. Anyways, it's a beautiful day. Tiff looks like a goof in that hat. Give me a smile.
It's getting some lift here.
So well protected though. Yeah, it's been a good day. So we've been hearing some weird noises while we're sitting in the boat, and we've come out and there's like so many seals outside playing. It's hilarious. Yeah, China.
Why did they
Maybe it's mating. Is it mating season?
Oh no.
Nice work.
You're welcome. Were you saying thank you?
No.
That was some good entertainment. It is overcast today and windy, and we want to go to shore. We have to beach the dinghy, which we've never done.
Through the surf.
Through the surf, so we're gonna go try to do that. Bring nothing that can get damaged when it gets wet.
Yeah. Also, last night the seals were going crazy.
Oh yeah.
And they were like all night long, because I think there's like little fish that feed on the bottom of whatever's growing on the bottom of the boat. And the seals were eating that stuff, but like all night long they were swimming into the boat, and then they would like swim under and
There'd be bubbles, it'd be like bloop, 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 like so loud.
it was really cool.
That was awesome. Well, that's what they were doing like when we were videoing them outside.
Yeah, but when we were laying in bed, it was like boom, boom. It's like, is the boat sinking?
Yeah, it was weird. We weren't that concerned.
No. I was like, I'll check in the morning.
If we're sinking? Oh boy.
But let's go.
And then go. Just keep going. Keep going.
Right?
Yeah, it's actually nothing at all. Can you put the paddles up? Okay, move the paddles. It's so small. You didn't even grab anything. Did you even get your feet wet? So that was not very exciting. It's almost disappointing it wasn't more extreme. But we're here.
That's gorgeous.
Nice beach. So this is definitely a more remote little town, and it's really sweet, but there's nobody here. Like there's us and one other sailboat in the bay, and I'm pretty sure that sailboat's not on shore. And so like it's like there's nobody here, nothing's open. And then when you do go into a store, the lights are off, so you wouldn't even know that they're open from the outside. It's a very weird feeling, but it's really cute here. We're trying to brush up on our Spanish words by reading signs and guessing what it means, but we don't have a great verbal vocabulary right now. Oh my goodness.
Pro.
You were pulling me into water.
You were not.
I almost got my shorts in.
You were not. Coming out fast now. For some reason, we have gotten out of sync with everybody else who's in Mexico right now, because we come into a bay and there's like, everybody leaves. Every time. And then there's nobody else here.
Yeah. When we left the last bay, I think we watched 4 boats come in. Like
when we were leaving,
the day we
yeah.
left. Yeah. Sheesh.
Come on, guys.
What we're saying is we're lonely.
Yeah. Want to meet some people.
This hair is still struggling. This is not coffee cream. I'm sure there's something equivalent in North America, but I don't think it's like this. It looks so gross. It doesn't taste bad, but it's not ideal. Gets a little curdly in the milk, but it'll do.
When we left Canada, we were always searching for Tiff's Greek yogurt thing. Then we left the States to Mexico. Now we're always searching for cream.
Yeah, I haven't found Greek yogurt yet here anyway. Also, I mean, so that'll be next on the list.
So we're about to leave Asunción, and we're not sure if we're going to do a 2-day sail or a 4-day sail. Probably 2. But we'll see how it goes. It's supposed to have some pretty good wind coming right from the north, so it should be downwind. But right now in the bay, the wind's coming from the south, so maybe it'll pick up from the north in the afternoon. I don't know.
Nice.
Yeah. Anyways, hopefully it'll be good. Is the batteries on both?
Yes.
There's that engine. Running, running, running.
Ah, the sounds of freedom.
I love the sound of the engine running.
Hope you guys enjoyed that episode. If you haven't yet, make sure to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out. For anyone who doesn't know, our sailboat is for sale. If you're interested, take a look at the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you all here next Wednesday for our next jump down the Mexican Baja.